For the end of our show, it's our Cricut. Now, you know Cricut's the top of the line when it comes to cutting machines, right? And we know that with that comes a price. Today, you are stealing this away. Every day of the week, $227 on HSN. Today, it is $169.95. It is a huge customer pick on hsn.com. As with all Cricut machines, it will cut a variety of huge range of different materials. It's quick, it's precise, it's easy, it's simple. It has an elegant look to it. So just classy the way it cuts, the way it looks. You could do, you have access to loads of images, fonts, ready to go projects, all the stuff that's available online. Cuts up and around over 100 different materials for you. All your craft materials, you can go through this easily. It's Bluetooth, so you can sync it up with your phone or tablet. You can even upload your own images, your own fonts. It comes with the transfer tape. It comes with the weeder. It is a huge bundle. Also comes with cardstock, vinyl, tape, images. All that is included for $169.95. The only thing that's not included, well, she's sort of included because you can access Anna in her incredible streaming show that we have here on hsn.com. Here is the amazing Miss Anna Griffin. Hello, my dear.
Good morning, Guy. That's really funny. I am sort of included in this bundle because not only are you getting the machine today, but you're getting Anna Griffin patterned premium vinyl with this. And so that's really fun. So I'm going to show you that just really quickly. These are different, beautiful patterns that you know and love from our paper crafts line, but in printed vinyl. And that's just, there's 6 12 by 12 sheets here. And you're getting my favorite color in the gold, and you're getting the transfer adhesive, and you're getting a weeder. So really, right out of the box, Guy, you have everything that you need to create some amazing projects. But it wouldn't be Craft Day on HSN without Cricut, and the Cricut Explore Air 2, this is the mint color, is hands down the only machine that you need. If you're going to buy one machine to do all your crafting, this is the one that's going to do it. I'm going to show you, I'm going to actually start something where it comes with a light grip mat, and what you're going to do is you're going to feed the material, so this is the premium vinyl from me, on the mat, right? And we press the button to go, and I set the dial on the machine to vinyl. And this is what's going to happen. This is the Cut Smart 2 technology, where in the A-clamp you can put a pin or a scoring tool, and you can immediately score and cut in the same pass. This is the fine point blade that's doing all the work for us. And what's so great about vinyl, just think about it, it's like a big sticker. This is what I just cut. I'm going to remove that from the machine. This would come right off the mat. Like I said, it's like a big sticker, and you would use that weeding tool that's coming with the machine today, and you would take away the vinyl from the cut. Now, what I did was I actually did a monogram for E in the middle, and we want to take away that negative space. We'll use the transfer adhesive to take this shape off the backer, and you see how if I just want to save my E for something else, I can easily transfer it right to the front of a notebook. I want to use my my burnisher to do that, to make sure that it stays on this little notebook. And now what's available to me is the ability to customize and personalize just about anything in your life. And when I think about my Cricut and I think about the things that I like to make with it, I'm always thinking about those special gifts. What can I make that I can only do with the Cricut? Now, what's really neat about what I'm going to do next is I'm going to hit finish. I'm running the machine from my laptop, okay? So you can run it from your phone, like you said, your tablet, your computer, your desktop computer, your laptop. Any machine is going to allow you to do that. And we are going to, I'm in Design Space. And what's so neat about Design Space is it's the free software that runs the machine. Now, I am going to show you how this is going to draw and cut at the same time. And it's going to tell me, this is really smart, the technology is so smart, it tells me to load the pin in clamp A, and I'm going to turn the dial, all right? So all of the different settings for the different materials you can cut are right here on this dial. And so as I say, continue, it's really intuitive. The software is going to say, all right, it tells you to load the material, all right, which I just press the load button. It tells me to load the pin. It tells me to make sure that the fine point blade is loaded, and then we press the button. It is that simple, and what's so great about this guy, watch it draw. It draws with such beautiful precision. If you don't like your handwriting, you can just tell your Cricut what you want it to draw or write. You can put the insides in your greeting cards with beautiful precision. Now, while we're watching this happen, this is the type of things. You said 100 different materials, and that is just the starting point for the Cricut Explore Air 2. This is the machine that's going to cut as lightweight of a vellum as it is a heavy glitter cardstock in intricate ways, right? It's going to cut vinyl, it's going to cut foil, it's going to cut corrugated cardstock, all different kinds. There's the corrugated, just to show you. If you want to create something from, you know, maybe you're throwing a party, and what's really important is that you want to create custom favors or treat bags. The Cricut Explore Air 2 is exactly what you want to do, because you're getting 50 free projects. Those are the design space files that are yours to make. Watch what's happening right here. This is what's happening. We are making a kitty cat mask or two, and all I have to do is load the paper and then unload it, and you see how it's so beautifully done and so easily done that everything that looks like it's been printed. It's not, it was drawn with the machine.
It's perfectly precise, and I think that's why so many people want a Cricut. You know, it's funny, I have a bunch of friends, girls that I know that all love to craft, and the number one thing they always ask me is, do you guys carry the Cricut? They're always, and I'm like, it's so big out there to people that are crafters. You know about it, and we rarely, and Anna, you can attest to this, we rarely get to put it on sale. For $58 off for this machine is a giveaway today. And to be able to get all the vellum to go with it, you know, all this beautiful stuff that Anna brings to you. And I mentioned too, it is such an elegant machine. Even the way that it opens and closes is beautiful. You have access to everything. We're giving you everything that you see on the table here at $58 off. You don't have to pay for it all at once. We have FlexPay available. If you want to pay $33.99, we'll ship it out to you. You have 30 days to try it out. Most of you know you want this already. You're not going to be returning it, but if you're brand new and you've always wanted a cutting machine and you're like, okay, I would love to get a Cricut, it's a great way to be able to get you started. We give you that vinyl variety, plus we also give you the weeder to be able to, you know, pick everything that you need to do. It is Bluetooth, as we both mentioned, so just use your phone or use your tablet as your little control board. That's all you need to do. And you've got loads of access online to all kinds of great designs as well. The item number 768004, if you'd like to pick it up. Andre, how are we doing on quantity with this? Because I thought, I don't know if this is limited as I thought. We okay? Okay. All right, well, it's not a lot. We have a little over 1,000 to go around if you want to pick it up. And I know a lot of people are online right now grabbing it at the discounted price. But Anna, realistically, if you don't have a cutting machine, this is a great place to get started.
Well, right. The entire Cricut family of products, it is very vast. This is the entry-level machine. This is the Explore Air 2. It does everything that the higher-up machines can do, which means like it can cut vinyl and iron-on and paper, if you love to paper craft. I'm going to show you something that's really exciting. I loaded a piece of our cardstock and into the machine, and it's going to do a really intricate cut just because I asked it to. But while we're on this particular shot, I do want to point out that right here, this is the cartridge dock. Now, many of you have been with Cricut since, many years before an Explore machine ever came to market. You have these little cartridges that used to go in all these old machines. I'm calling everyone that has a cartridge. The Explore Air 2 is the only machine that has this stock. It has the ability to get all of those images and all those cutting files right here into your Design Space account, and that is pretty incredible. Now, Guy, what's happening that you see right here with this yellow paper is this, all right? We're talking about the ability to do an intricate cut. This is one of our images, and we have, you just search, when you get the machine home, you have access to Cricut Design Space and Cricut Access for 30 days for new users. Now, in Cricut Access, there's all kinds of Anna Griffin images, which is like this, and you can scale these images from a 1/2 inch all the way to 12.5 inches with the standard mat that comes with the machine. Now, for me, that's really fun because when we're thinking about scrapbooking, right, we're thinking about putting the memories that are in our phones or in our photo albums onto scrapbook pages. Look at this. This is a project in Design Space that is one of our ready-to-make projects. And you just select it, and I kid you not, all of the designs, all of the layers, all of the flowers, the embellishments, the card mats, all of these things are files that are already set up and sized for you to create exactly this. All you have to do is choose the color of paper that you want to use to create that layout. So when you think about Cricut and you think about what it is that you want to Cricut, right? It's a verb. Look at this. So we want to make Nora a special gift. When maybe we're going to use our brand new Anna Griffin vinyl. So that works the same way. We use any of the 300 fonts inside Design Space, or we can upload our own font, our own handwriting. We can turn it into a beautiful cut file that can be transferred to a coffee mug or to a notebook. And when we're thinking about all those wonderful Anna Griffin files, this is really fun. Looks simple, doesn't it? We've cut the card, we've cut the border, but look, it's a kitty cat mother card. It's an entire, Anna's pop-up cards is an entire image set in Design Space. Look at that. You see all those kitty cat cuts? That's the precision that occurs with the Cricut Explore Air 2. We are able to do things like print and cut. This is where you would print on your home printer, and then you would put it on the mat, the printout, and you would cut around to make your own embellishments. When we think about making iron-on and personalizing things, this is really something that Cricut excels at. Iron-on that outlasts the garment. This is a wonderful mask, right? Spread kindness, not germs. Or maybe there's a cheerleader in your house, and we have a lot of those here at Anna Griffin Inc. We have lots of cheer moms. And you need a really great bow that says, Sadie, well, this is the machine that's going to take you from flat to fabulous and give you the idea, right? Look at this. Maybe you're going to a baby shower and you want to create something that, the onesie came like this, nice and plain with the little hearts, but you want to add something special. So you can personalize with this machine, and you can do that with iron-on, you can do that with vinyl, and I have lots of iron-on projects to show you. It's really about choosing a gorgeous design, cutting it on the machine, ironing it onto the surface of your choice, and then you have a gorgeous, personalized, wonderful experience. Even that, how many of these do you have, Guy? I bet you have lots of
yeah,
of
double-wall
containers.
Insulated cups. Probably about 20 at my house, between me and Danny.
Beverage containers. Now, do you have your name on them?
I may have my name on one that you might have given me a couple of years ago. But I think it's a coffee mug.
Exactly. Right. Oh, I did make you a coffee mug, didn't I?
You did.
That's what's so great about Cricut, right? You can make anything that you want. It gives you the creativity, the freedom. They do it for you. They take you all the way to the cut, right? You're choosing a design that speaks to you in Design Space. You're choosing